Here we are at the waterfall. We just climbed about 100 meters up the side of the mountain. And here we are at this beautiful, beautiful waterfall. No, careful. Don't pull each other down. There's rocks, you know. You got to be careful. Is it cold? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, well, I got water in the cooler. Don't drink the water in the lake, okay? In the swimming pool.
I think it's dirty. I just think it.
Yeah.
Mommy, that doesn't need to be dried. My neck was so dry. Daddy, your spit is dry, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Kevin.
Bye-bye, you stupid dum-dum.
Go on, Kevin, you can swim. It's deep over there. Swim over to the waterfall.
It's so cold.
This is mountain water. This is really cold water.
I didn't know there was
But you get used to it.
Wow.
You get used to it after a little while. You got to stay in it.
Daddy,
Yeah.
that's so cold. Because
It's spring water. It's from under the ground. There's a river underneath the ground. And then it comes to the top, at the top of this mountain.
it's cold.
You got to stay in the water and then you won't be cold. Stay in the water and you'll get used to it. Yeah, just now relax. Relax. A big rock? Careful, Kevin. Watch your hands. It's very heavy. Whoa.